Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech with Yeshwanth. So this is one of the unique videos that I'm creating on this channel just to share an opportunity with all of you. So if you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, hype the video, and comment what you want to see next. So without wasting much time, let me share the opportunity with you, and then we can see if you are really fit for this opportunity and if you want to apply for this or not. So firstly, you might have seen me using this particular code editor in my previous, coding videos or live coding videos that I've created on this channel. So this editor that you're seeing is a replica of VS Code, and it is called as Kiro. It is an agentic IDE that helps you do your best work, and it is developed by AWS as a separate team. Now, why I like this product is because of the two things that it offers. One, vibe coding approach. The other one is spec-driven approach. So what do you mean by vibe coding approach? So it is a platform which is great for rapid exploration and testing. And if you want to build when the requirements are unclear, let's say you want to build a product, if you're not sure as to what you want to build, you just have an idea in your head and you can go ahead and type the idea as a prompt, and it will help you design the things step by step. And that is called as vibe coding approach, right? And you can go ahead and implement task by task and have the final result as a product. The other approach is spec-driven approach, which is great for thinking through features in depth. Let's say you already have a product and you want to implement a new feature, and you can go through that using the spec-driven approach. For example, if the projects require you to have upfront planning, then spec-driven approach is the right fit for you. And if you're building a feature in the structured way, this is the great fit, right? You can select this, go ahead and provide your prompt, and wait for the AI agent to play the role. So important thing that I want to highlight is that if you download this, if you sign up for AWS Builder Center, so if you do not know what's Builder Center, I will provide the link to that in the description. Feel free to check that out. It's totally free for you to create an account. Go ahead, create an account. As soon as you create an account and download Kiro, I will provide the link to download Kiro as well. You will get 500 credits for you to play around. Trust me, 500 is a lot if you're using it for 1 month, right? Now, if you see, every month I will get 50 credits, and it's already 15 used so far. So if that is the scenario, this Kiro as a platform has come up with something called as Kiro Ambassadors Program. So what you can do with this, it is an early stage community program which Kiro has developed, something like AWS Community Builder. You can start this. You can probably, what I'm thinking is to promote Kiro to the end users who are actually interested in vibe coding, and you also get some benefits in terms of promoting it, right? So if you see here, ambassadors get early access and opportunities, a free Kiro subscription, and a direct line to team who is building the Kiro, and in turn they share feedback, create content, host events, and support the community. In fact, Kiro team is ready to support you, sponsor you to run events. I mean, it's totally dependent on the kind of events that you're coming up with, right? So I've been part of one of the event hosted by Kiro team, which is called as Kiro Nights. They sponsor everything, including the dinner and everything for the community. So I think it is somewhere near to that. And this is a very good opportunity if you want to get started on the community side of things, right? So don't get disheartened. If you did not get selected for AWS Community Builder, you can definitely try this, right? So the first time I applied for AWS Community Builders, even I flunked. But this time, this is a really good opportunity for you to strive, okay? All you have to do is click on apply now, fill in some details like why you are the best fit for them to get selected, and also provide details as to what events you're planning and what sort of community are you already part of, whether you are the right fit for this community or not. All these things they will ask, and you provide all those details, and that's it. But I wanted to highlight few more things. You get free Kiro subscription out of this, so you can also earn more more credits. You can also get the roadmap for the influence, and you can also get early access and the opportunities. You can directly speak with the Kiro team, and that's possible. And you can also get the event support, credits for community events, promotional support, and opportunity to represent Kiro more broadly. And you also get the recognition in the community. You get a Discord badge, ambassador status on your social bios, and private ambassador channels. And you also get the profile visibility, direct access to the Kiro team, and a lot more, right? You can also collaborate with the Kiro team let's say you have a content that is present in your mind and you want to share it with a wider audience, you can collaborate with Kiro team and then produce content on their channels. So that's one of the interesting things that you can do, right? Why am I saying this? I've already applied. I just wanted to let you know that this is one of the opportunity that is in front of you to grab, right? So I'll hope and I'll see that most of you are interested on my channel. Always comment me saying that how do I get into AWS community builders? How do I start the user group? And this is the right opportunity for you to start with the community contribution. Okay. And who are they looking for? Super users. You use Kiro as a primary or significant part of your workflow. You know the product beyond the basics. You're excited about what Kiro can do and eager to share your knowledge. This is one of their criteria. And community builders. So it doesn't mean that you have to be an AWS community builder. When they say community builder, you should be in the forward of the community, right? So you should be sharing knowledge with the community regularly. And you are an active developer community creating content, open source projects, hosting or engaging at events, speaking or helping in Discord or Reddit, right? So this is what they look at. And you are going to be the technical voice. So your insights can go beyond surface impressions to specific friction points, workarounds, or clear suggestions. You're here because you want to help the Kiro team grow better, right? So that's the reason why they are going to hire you, in the sense, onboard you as a Kiro ambassador. So then how do I apply for this? It's really straightforward. Like I mentioned, all you have to do is click on apply. You get few things to submit. Go ahead and do that. And you also get accepted if you are lucky enough. They will review every application accepted ambassador signing the NDA, non-disclosure agreement, because they're going to share crucial information with you. And that should not be available to the public users before AWS making that announcement, right? And that's the reason why they will sign an NDA between you and the Kiro team. You should be doing that. And you can start building with them, right? So you submit your regular feedback, participate in at least 60% of the private beta invitation, attend regular calls with product and engineering team, create Kiro content, share relevant Kiro announcements, stay active in the Kiro Discord, and that's all, right? So is there an application fee? No, it's totally free for you to apply. And how long does it take to hear back after submitting the application? So they will review it as soon as possible. But if you haven't heard back after a month or so, just go ahead and drop a note on Discord server. And do I need professional development experience? No, you don't need it. So what are some of the examples of collaboration? They're open to collaborate in any possible ways. That is between you and the Kiro team. So work with them. And what's the time commitment? So they expect you to work at least 2-3 hours or 4 hours of dedicated work for a month, not a professional work, create content, share knowledge. That's what they expect. And how long does it last? As far as I've read, it's going to last for a year. So go ahead and check this out. And can I participate in other ambassador programs? When I say other ambassador program, not related to AWS, something outside, for example, Azure or Oracle or GCP. So then you might get rejected because of that reason if you're already part of those. But if you are part of AWS, I don't think they will reject you because you're already in the community and they know your work really well. And it should be another, badge on the profile that you already have. And is this program a global one? Yes, it is, of course. That's all, right? So I've made sure that everything is clear for you. All you have to do is click on apply now. I will also show you that. Submit your name, submit your email, country. Are you the member of Discord community? If not, go ahead and select no, or you can also join later. What's the company that you're working on? What's the job title? Your LinkedIn profile URL, your GitHub profile URL, your Kiro user ID if you have it. If not, just leave it blank. And how long are you using Kiro? Just provide the number. And you can also tell us about Kiro experience. What clients do you use? What's your typical use case for Kiro? What keeps you using Kiro instead of other tools? So make sure to provide all these details really well, crisp and clear. Share the examples of Kiro content that you've already produced. For example, a LinkedIn post or a code that is generated using Kiro and that's available on GitHub. Go ahead and share that. If you've created a YouTube video on that, go ahead and share that. And you can also share the ways you currently engage with the developer community. For example, if you're a speaker, if you host events, if you're already part of AWS Community Builders program, if you write technical blogs, create videos, all of them, you can dump it here. Make sure that you are only providing as much details as required, because if you throw in all the details, it will be difficult for them to review all these things. And what do you want out of this program? Just make sure to read the page once, because what's already committed is the same thing that you're going to get. So make sure to go through that, make the answer scripts and clear, right? So what kinds of activity are you interested in participating as a Kiro ambassador? Make a list of it and provide all this and click on apply. That's all you have to do. I hope anyone who is looking at this video gets selected as a Kiro ambassador. Do let me know if you're applying for this. So that's all. I don't want to back this video. If you're liking the content, like I mentioned, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.